The evolution of taxation.
Taxation has been a cornerstone of civilization for millennia, evolving alongside societies and their needs. These timelines explore key developments in the history of taxation, highlighting its origin, major milestone, and the impact on various societies or taxation. An integral aspect of organized societies has evolved significantly over time, reflecting changing needs, political structures, and economic realities. This timeline delves into the history of taxation, exploring its origin, major milestone, and the impact on various civilizations.
5,000 years ago, ancient Egypt. The earliest recorded instance of taxation dates back to ancient Egypt, where the pharaoh levied a 20% tax on all grain harvest. This tax served as means of resources allocation and redistribution within the society.
Ancient Greece. The Greeks adopted and expanded the concept of taxation, spreading its news throughout the developed world. Notably, the Rosetta Stone, a key to disappearing hieroglyphics, was primarily a tax document outlining new tax laws.
Ancient Rome. The Roman Empire implemented a sales tax initially at a flat rate of 1% across the empire. This tax evolved to a 4% rate under Caesar Augustus, resembling modern sales tax rates. The Romans also introduced income tax, initially levied on wealth, and property tax based on land's production value.
Medieval Europe. Property taxes continued in medieval Europe, with notable examples like William the Conqueror's property tax in England. Inheritance tax also originated in the Roman Empire, funding veterans' pensions and evolving into the relief payment made to feudal lords upon inheritance.
3000 BC. Ancient Mesopotamia tariffs taxes on imported goods were documented as early as 3000 BC, with the trade of metal, wool between the ancient cities of Kanesh and Assyria. The Roman Empire also levied tariffs on both internal and foreign trade, with higher rates imposed on imported goods.
The timeline of taxation in the Philippines, from the pre-colonial times to the present.
Taxation in the Philippines has a long and complex history, reflecting the country's diverse cultural influences and political transformation. This timeline traces the evolution of taxation from pre-colonial times to present, highlighting key periods and significant developments. The Philippines was governed by independent communities called barangays, each headed by a datu or raja. Taxes were collected as buwis or handog for the protection and services provided by the datu.
Spanish colonial period, from 1521 to 1898. The tribute system. The Spanish introduced a new tax system, the tribute, which was initially fixed at 8 reales, which means 1 real equals 12 centavos, and later increased to 15 reales. This tax was collected in cash and was divided among the government, the church, and the local community.
Bola y servicio or forced labor. The Spanish also implemented a system of forced labor called bola y servicio, requiring men aged 16 to 60 to work for the government for 40 days each year. Individuals could be exempted from this labor by paying a fee called palya. Sa pilit ng pagtatrabaho ng mga lalaki sa edad ng 16 to 60, ang bawat isa ay pwedeng hindi magtrabaho kung sila ay magbabayad ng tawag doon ay palya. Bandala. This system required the Filipino farmers to sell their goods at the government at fixed prices, which was a form of forced trade that benefited the Spanish government. Encomienda system. The Spanish established the encomienda system, granting land to loyal Spanish subjects who were responsible for collecting tributes from the inhabitants of their assigned areas. This system was a key element of Spanish colonial administration, and it often led to exploitation and abuse of the indigenous population.
Cedula personally. In 1884, the tribute system was replaced by the Cedula Personnel, a personal identification document that required all Filipinos over the age of 18 to pay a tax. This tax was a significant source of revenue for the Spanish government.
The American colonial period from 1898 to 1946. Internal Revenue Law of 1904. The Americans established the Internal Revenue Law of 1904, which introduced new taxes including income tax and excise taxes. This law laid the foundation for a modern tax system in the Philippines.
Commonwealth period. During the Commonwealth period 1935 to 1946, income tax rates were increased and the cedula was abolished in 1939. The Commonwealth government also drafted the National Internal Revenue Code, but its implementation was interrupted by World War II. Japanese occupation, 1942 to 1945. Mickey Mouse money. During the Japanese occupation, the Philippines experienced severe inflation, leading to the issuance of Mickey Mouse money, which had very low value. This period also saw imposition.
The post-war era, year 1946 up to present. The Bureau of Internal Revenue, BIR, was established separately in 1947 and underwent several reorganizations to improve its efficiency.
Tax reform programs. Various tax reform programs have been implemented throughout the post-war era.